Now let's see this example. The average of 5 consecutive odd numbers is 59. What will be the sum of next 5 consecutive odd numbers? So let's say there are two ways of solving it. I'll show you both of them. Let's assume that the first odd number is A. If first odd number is A, what will be the sequence of odd numbers? Next one will be A plus 2, next one will be A plus 4, next one will be A plus 6, next one will be A plus 8, right? So these are the first 5 odd numbers. See, only one common mistake you might do here is, since the numbers are odd, you might write it as A plus 1, A plus 3 and then like that, right? But that is wrong. If A is odd, definitely A plus 2 is odd. For example, if you take A as 3, then A plus 2 is 5. A plus 4 is 7. So if the first number is odd, the sequence is going to give you odd. So don't think that the sequence is going to give you even numbers, right? So this is the sequence of 5 odd numbers I have taken. I don't know what the value of A is. That is what you are supposed to find out. Okay. Now the average of first 5 consecutive odd numbers is given as 59. What does it mean? The middle value is nothing but the average, as I told you in the previous video. Therefore, A plus 4 is given as 59. What does it mean? A equal to 55. Therefore, this is 55, this is 57, this is 59, 60, 163. Now they are asking us to find out what will be the sum of the next 5 odd numbers. So what will be next 5 odd numbers? A plus 10, A plus 12, A plus 14, A plus 16 and A plus 18, right? Now what is this number? It is 65, 67, 69, 71, 73. So you have to add them all up. If I add them all up, you are going to get 345. So this is one way of solving it, right? I have written down every number, all the numbers, and then I have found out what the value of A is, and then I have added them all up. But this is a long procedure. The short procedure would be, find out what would have been the sum of these 5. How to find it out? Since the average is given and they are saying that this is the average of 5 numbers, sum of the total all the numbers is going to be average into 5. So this is the sum of all this. Now if you see this set of numbers and this set of numbers, they are differing by a value of 10 each, isn't it? The difference between this one and this one is 10. From this one is 10 incremented, 10 incremented, 10 incremented, 10 incremented. Therefore, the overall sum difference between these two is actually 50. So find the sum of all this and then add 50 to them. You are going to get sum of all this, right? So we have already found out the sum of all this, which is 59 into 5. Now you add 50. Now if you compute it, again you are going to get 345. So this would have been a better method, right? There is no need of finding out what the A is, and there is no need of finding out all these values, and there is no need of addition, right? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.